anything yet, and there's going to be some stuff that I'm going to do, and I'm going to make some videos of all this, different things that I'm going to go ahead and do in this condo. So keep watching these videos, okay? Because anytime I do something new in this condo, I'm going to show it. One of the things I'm going to have done, we're not quite sure if we want to replace this carpet yet or not. If we decide to keep the carpet, it's winter now, it's probably going to get dirty. Who knows what we're going to put in here later. We want to get moved in here, and we don't want to spend too long before we come in here. One of the things we're going to do is paint everything, all the walls, all the ceilings, all the baseboard, all the doors, all the frames, all that stuff throughout the condo. And so I don't know if we're going to take this carpet out and replace it right now with some different carpet or not, or some laminate flooring. But if we do laminate flooring, then obviously we probably wouldn't want to put a seam right in here and leave this flooring, this hardwood flooring over here, because then it's not going to match. You know, so if we do leave this carpet, then I'm going to probably have a carpet guy come in here and stretch it. And initially I was thinking, oh, I can do that myself. I can rent one of those little knee kickers. Well, I don't want to do that. I'm getting up there in age. I don't want to mess up my knees or cut myself with the Bloody Mary knives or the sheetrock knife. And I don't have the tools to push it back in. Because see, I see a ripple there. There's one there. And there's the puckers. See, next to whatever was on the floor there, see how this floor gives a little bit? That's because it needs to be stretched. And when I look over here, there's another place over there. And you see all the way along here, see how high this is?